Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out of Salt Lake City, Utah. I'd like to thank you for your time to show you this jet 16x60. It's a model GH1660ZX. It happens to be a 16.5x60 precision tool room lathe. This machine here is a Machinery Consultants in Salt Lake City, Utah. It's currently wired at 440 volts, 3-phase. This machine is our stock number 6845. That being said, we're going to go ahead and run through the options. Show you the specifications of this machine, and how well it runs, and how good it looks and sounds. All right, Paul. Let's go ahead and see what you got.
60.
Okay, that's currently running at 60 RPM. This machine will do inch and metric threading. It has feeds in inch and metric as well. Okay, that's the apron feeding.
Yes.
Very nice. Okay, next. Here's the chart that shows all of the threads, inch and metric, as well as the feeds. And here's your speeds. I'll just park over here for a second. Okay, please note there's 12 changes ranging from 25 to 1800 RPM on the spindle speeds.
265.
That's 265 RPM. So again, here's the speeds chart. We're currently running a 3-jaw chuck on this spindle. It's a D18 cam lock spindle. Don't let me forget to show them the large spindle bore through hole, the 3 1/8 inch large spindle through bore. Okay, 7.5 horsepower main drive. We've talked about the fact that it's currently wired at 440 volts, 3-phase. Has a rear splash guard. It has a steady rest. A complete coolant system, halogen work light. Beautiful 3-jaw chuck. Clear. The ways on this machine, very omnipresent, look fantastic. The machine also has a follower rest. We have a life center in the tailstock. That's 660 RPM. Okay, Paul, next. The machine is also equipped with a foot brake. So what we're saying here is on this red brake right here, you simply step down on it, and that stops the engagement of the spindle off of the foot brake, as well as your lever engagement on the right side of the apron.
A7.
Okay, that's 870 RPM. Thank you. The machine also has a follower rest. Right here's your follower. Steady, etc. Let's get one more shot of these ways up near the headstock. Okay, next. Okay, that's 1400 RPM. There's a number 4 Morse taper in the tailstock. On the threads, there's 61 changes, from 1 5/8 to 72 TPI in inch, and 24 changes in metric, from 0.5 to 0.20 millimeter. The overall weight on the machine is 4,500 pounds. Okay, should we hit the 1800 RPM next? Yeah. What do you think? Yeah. So please feel free to ask us about a price on a Allura style wedge type quick change tool post set, or even a 4-way tool post. Inquire on a 4-jaw chuck if you desire.
1800.
Okay, that's 1800 RPM. All right. Very cool, very cool. Okay, that's top speed right there. That's your 1800 RPM. All right, I'm clear. Let's go ahead and take it out of the 1800 and go back to a real Espacio speed. Then we'll just close out. We're 5 minutes in, 5.5 minutes in. Okay, so that's Top Gun there. Now, if your machine shop has only 220 power, let us know, because the machine's currently wired to 440 volts. On your left, I'm going to show them that spindle bore. 3 1/8 inch on the spindle bore. That being established, this is a D18 cam lock. Here's a Sharpie pen, or a whatever, a pen for reference on the size of the 3 1/8 inch. It has the studs down there to put on the leveling pads.
185.
Okay, back to 185 RPM. Has the thread chasing dial. When it comes to this machine, there's really not a lot that it doesn't have with it. So again, if you need a price on a 4-jaw chuck, 6-jaw chuck, 5C collet system, whatever, tool post package, things of that nature, let us know. Outside of that, it has the beautiful 3-jaw chuck, splash guard, the foot brake, the removable gap. Oh, that was the one thing I wanted to show. Keep in mind, we're at 16.5 over the bed, 10 1/4 over the cross slide, with the full 60 inches between centers. Okay, but the thing I wanted to show you is the, oh yeah, on the tailstock, thank you. Good eye. Nice and smooth on the quill, looks good. Nice engagement. Okay, the thing I wanted to show you was the 25 7/8 inch through the gap. What we're looking at here, you'll see there's a line right here that goes over. So this is a removable gap section right through here. So that portion can be pulled out if you're doing 25 7/8 inch swing through. You're cool. The last spec is 13 1/4 inch on the width of the bed. So on this jet lathe, it's here at Machinery Consultants in Salt Lake City. We'd love to do an additional video if you need us to. We've got a price to sell quickly. We have all the photos available. This machine is located on our website at www.machineryconsultants.com. Click on the parent tab of Used Machines, go to the sibling of Engine Lathe, and you'll click on stock number 845 to pull up this jet lathe. And it's a 1660 ZX with a 3 1/8 inch spindle bore. Well, until next time, thanks again, be happy, be healthy, and have a great day. Thanks for watching our videos. Peace.